Hello, I'm Rekha. The question is, if 12 pumps can raise 1218 tons of water in 11 days of 9 hours each, then how many pumps will raise 2030 tons of water in 12 days of 11 hours each? The question can be solved by first understanding that 12 pumps can raise 1218 tons of water in 11 into 9 equal to 99 hours. Therefore, work done per pump per hour is given by 1218 upon 12 into 99. Let the required pumps be X. Therefore, work done per pump per hour is equal to 2030 upon X into 11 into 12. Now, work done per pump per hour will remain the same in both cases. Therefore, equating the two, we get 1218 upon 12 into 99 equal to 2030 upon X into 11 into 12. Reducing this, we get X equal to 15 pumps. Hence the answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I'm Rekha. The question is, two men X and Y can complete a job in 4 and 16 days respectively while working alone. They start working alternately starting with X for 1 day each. How much time will they take to finish the job? To solve the question, X can do a job in 4 days. Therefore, X 1 day work equal to 1 upon 4. Similarly, Y can do a job in 16 days. Therefore, Y's 1 day work equal to 1 upon 16. Therefore, work done in 2 days equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 16 equal to 5 upon 16. Therefore, work done on first 2 days equal to 5 upon 16. Therefore, work done on next 2 days equal to another 5 upon 16. Work done on next 2 days equal to again 5 upon 16. Therefore, total work done in first 6 days equal to 5 upon 16 plus 5 upon 16 plus 5 upon 16 equal to 15 upon 16. On 7th day, X will work. X requires 1 day for 1 upon 4 part of work. Therefore, he requires days for doing remaining work that is 1 minus 15 upon 16 equal to 1 upon 16 part of work which is given by for doing 1 by 4 work he requires 1 day. Therefore, for doing 1 by 16 work he requires 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 16 which is equal to 1 by 4 days. Therefore, total days are 6 plus 1 by 4 equal to 6.25 days. Hence, the answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Rekha. The question is, a man can finish a work in 6 days, a woman in 10 days and a child in 12 days. The man starts the work and works for 1/3 of a day. Then the woman works for 1/3 of a day and finally the boy works for remaining 1/3 of a day. This cycle is repeated till the work finishes. Who was working when the work finished? The question can be solved by man can do the job in 6 days. Therefore, man's 1 day work equal to 1 upon 6. Woman can do a job in 10 days. Therefore, woman's 1 day work equal to 1 upon 10. Child can do the job in 12 days. Therefore, child's 1 day work equal to 1 upon 12. Therefore, work done by man in 1/3 day equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 6. Work done by woman in 1/3 day equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 10. Work done by child in 1/3 day equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 12. Therefore, total work done in 1 day equal to 1 upon 3 into 6 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 12 which is equal to 7 upon 60. Therefore, work done in 8 days equal to 8 into 7 upon 60 equal to 56 upon 60. Therefore, work left equal to 1 upon 15. In 1/3 day, man does 1/18th of the work. Therefore, work left equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 18 equal to 1 upon 90. This work will be done by the woman and hence completed. Hence, woman works last. Hence the answer is option number 2. Thank you.